Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the audio warning for the dangerous area mode in the IGO Navigation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down, click on the settings button and then click on the warnings button and then click on the alert points button. And once you enable the alert point warnings section, you can click on the alert types button and then just click on the dangerous area button. And if you set the warning type to audio and visual, then you will have access to the audio warning section. And here just set on the one that you want to use. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.